Okay, so I have a 2003 Lexus GX470, and we're gonna replace these trims on the front two doors. I did order a set off of eBay. It came with all four, and it came with the dash trim. The two back trims are in good shape. This one is really cracked in here. And the guy that sent me these ones, all of them were in great shape except for the driver's one. It has very faint cracks right here, or it's actually in the clear. It's kind of hard to see. So this is way better than what I have on there. This one has like all over the place. I'll bring you in, I'll show you. That way you can see what I'm talking about. The passenger one also has some in there, and we're gonna go ahead and replace that one as well. So let me bring you in and let me show you what's going on. So as you can see these kind of like spider webbing looking. That's the clear. It's actually cracking. See that? Now the trim that he gave me, or he sold me, this one's in good shape up to about right there. And then you can see that it does have some spots here. He said this was in excellent condition, and it is not. He is refunding me for one of these. So I'll go ahead and have to try to look for another one, but I'm going to put that one in there because that one looks better than this one. So I'm going to pull the door panel off first. I have taken these off before. Pretty simple. Pull this little piece off here. And then you're going to push this little pin in here. And then you're going to kind of pull it out like that. Don't push it all the way because then you'll drop it. And then right here, we're going to go ahead and put our little screwdriver in there. Pop that off. There you go. And then there should be a screw in there, which there is. Let's take that off. Just gonna grab right here, pull up, take that off. And you'll have a screw right there. Comes off there. Switch, but I could have swore. Yeah, it does have one right there. Has one more screw right there. Go ahead and unplug this right here. That comes off, and then we're going to go ahead and unplug the light. Push tab. Plug. This will slide up. And we'll have to unplug this right here. Pop that out. Weird. It comes out reverse from it goes down. So you put it back up, goes in, goes down, out. And then we have three harnesses. This one here. Sorry guys, I'm doing this with one hand here. These ones here, best to pull those out. The panel. And then now, just push here. I'm gonna do this with one hand, so I'm gonna push that and pull it out. And then this one down here. Pushing that little black tab and pull it out. So you push, pull it out. Push down, pull it out. I just couldn't do it with one hand. Got the trim out. Trim is on this side. Pull that down. If you look at it, it goes like that. So there's 1, 2, and then those 2 screws, and then that one back there. And then it's gonna have 2 more right there. So looks like it's part of the latching system too, from what I remember. Let's go ahead and unplug this. this will mount to here, like so. And I'll go ahead and screw it down. I'm just going to clean it first. And then it should have 3 more screws. There's 2 right here. Right there, and then the one that's holding the latch. 1, 2, and then this one right here that's holding the latch. Well, the latch actually screws it. That pretty much does it. The part numbers are identical. All right. Let me clean up around these switches real quick, and then we'll be right back. Two silver ones are the ones that go here on the actual seat memory. There. And then we're going to do reverse order. No, I guess those tabs are broken on all of them, even on the one I have. Now there is a guide hole. You can see it right here. That go right in there. So put that on there. Put it in. Push it in. Let it push into place. So reverse order. Put the handle one on first. Hold it from the back. Next, put this one on. Actually, that one in first. Like this. This comes down here. This plugs in there. And then these ones, we'll plug them in, slide them back into there. Clip. So I'll slide it here. And then this will, once you connect it back on there, it'll clip onto there. First, this plug here to the light. Get off the way. Plug in the black one, gray one. A little light. The green one goes on the bottom of these. Snaps in. Make sure this is back closed. Looking from the bottom. Put it back into the guide. Get our harness out. Should go all the way down. There it goes. Pull has to line up there. Now you can really see those. This one's worse. Okay, plug our harness in. Put this little piece up here. Reset the clip. Put that in here. If it goes in, it doesn't pop out. Screw there, screw there. One more screw there, little small black one. This just slips in. front up, pull the latch out, have it in place, and then lastly, make sure those go in. And look at the passenger one. This one's pretty bad. So I'm going to remove the same setup I did over there. I'm not going to show that unless there's something different in here. And it looks like this side's identical. There's a harness here, a harness there, and a harness there. And the easiest way here, I usually think, is taking these off like that, and then you can unplug them from the back side. You just push down this little trigger right here, pull it out. I use two hands. Same thing here. Push down that trigger, pull it out. And then the last one is the gray one. Push down on this little trigger and pull it out. That one I was able to do. Here where the light is, same thing. You're gonna push down that little tab right there. Right there. And then pull it out, just like that. And you can get the door panel off. I have no idea what happened, but anyways, my camera for some reason turned off. So there's one screw right there. That's a silver one. And then there's, you lift this material up, and then there's two brass screws that are kind of covered in this material. A brass screw, and then there's the last brass screw. Now, I did want to show you this. So this is the one I pulled out. It's the one that's all jacked up. You see that? Now, I have also for the rears. So the rear door and the front door are identical part numbers. So the right front and the right rear door are interchangeable on this. And if you didn't have the memory seat thing that's right there, I'm assuming that's gonna match up with that because it has cutouts. It has the little setup cutouts in the back, like as if they're supposed to have cutouts. So that one, when it has the memory seat as a cutout, if you don't have that front one and that back one, you can interchange them. They're the exact same size. See that? It's one of those is for the front, one of those is for the rear. I think they're the exact same size. So, crazy. I didn't know that. And the part numbers are identical. 6781, 6200 or 210. 781. Yep, they're the same. So they're interchangeable. So I'll grab one of these. I'm not going to replace the back one anyways, so I think the front one looks more like this. It has these kind of lines like this. I don't know if that matters. This one has more of a splattered effect. I don't know if that makes a difference because I don't think it does. No, I can't tell the difference. All right, so let's go put it back on. We're gonna go with, I think that one looks better. So we're gonna go grab it from the back, put it on there, and then start screwing. So there's two guides right there. See that orange thing? Those gotta go in, and then put your hand behind to hold it, and then put a screw here, maybe put a screw here and here, and then put the rest of them in. Okay, one there, one there, one there, two there. And then the silver one goes right there. So it goes back up there. And then, like I said, I would plug these in first. Once you plug them in, then you can mount them back on there. This one clips into there. And this bottom one clips into the bottom one right there. But plug them in first, it makes it easier. The passenger one has two harnesses. Small one that goes right here. and then the bigger one that goes on the bottom right there. So get your clip back on there, put this piece back on. There's a screw under here, the two big thick gold ones. A little black one here, put the cover back on, put the switch, snap it back on, snap that back into place. Make sure you plug in that light, guys, don't forget the light. And that pretty much does it. And that one is in much better condition than the old one. Look at the old one. That one's all cracked up. Now I'm gonna try to do is I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna sand these down really good and see if I can get those cracks out of there. See if I can refurbish these. I talked to my paint guy next door and he said, I don't know if you can, man, but we'll give it a shot. Got nothing to lose. They're just practice pieces. So we'll see what we got. All right, guys, thanks for watching.